What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another moto vlog. Today we're riding at a motocross track. I'm on my 2019 KTM 150 SX. The track we're at, it can get pretty rough with braking bumps and ruts, and I'm not the greatest motocross rider, so that's always a big challenge to me. As usual, we're out here to have fun, but I also want to conquer some jumps and hit some corners with some speed. You know, always practice to get a little bit better, but main goal, have fun. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm just doing my sight lap here. Soil is deep, freshly tilled up. There were some track changes, so I'm just going around slow, making sure I know what the rest of the track looks like before I try to put in some laps. There goes Taylor. He's already running some fast laps, man. Alright, so that jump's definitely bigger than the last time I was here. Holy Jesus Christ, that was scary. I am not warmed up yet, clearly. Alright, let's see if we can run somewhat of a decent lap. Cleared it. That was pretty close. Not too shabby. I could do it better. Man, that was sketchy. That one kicks you up so high. Come on, Derek, stay in the rut. That one got a little sketchy, almost went over the bars. There we go, not bad. I gotta just do that every time. Felt like I hit that okay, that section. Alright, so I did not make that turn. It's hard to jump that whole thing and make that turn, but I jumped it. Alright, you just gotta be ready on the brakes. Oh! Alright, I cased it a little bit. Damn. you do it? Did you do it?
I landed out of the air.
Okay.
Did you?
Yeah. And I actually made the corner.
Patrick! Oh my God, bro! Patrick! Oh! 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 Oops. Camera still good? No.
Alright. Come on, D-Rock. I'm just riding sections right now to get comfortable. If you want to get better at certain sections, it's way easier to go section by section rather than constantly just be doing full laps and wearing yourself out. Oh boy, now I'm going to be in Nick Hayes' way. Here we go. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's motovlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.